ADDIE is an acronym that stands for Analyze, Design, Develop, Implement, and Evaluate. Let's take a closer look at how it works. When you analyze, consider the problem or gap in knowledge, skills, and abilities, as well as the expected result. Consider the target audience, consider the best method of delivery, as well as the resources needed, including people, content, and technology. Don't forget to think about the timeline. As a personal tip, consider the broader landscape of stakeholders. Instructional design never occurs in a vacuum, so try to be mindful of the unintended consequences of implementing a solution to a given problem. Next comes design. If time allows, design by hand first, giving yourself as much time to understand the elements at play in the project. Design a system of evaluation. Design a system of delivery. Then organize the content into meaningful chunks of information. Incorporate technology where appropriate, and balance text, audio, visuals, and interaction appropriately. As a personal tip, design for accessibility. If anyone can use what you design, everyone will gain from what you design. Next, develop. People are the most valuable components of development. Content, the second most valuable component, comes from people. And technology should be leveraged carefully and sparingly where people and content can't be used. Do your best to stick to the timeline. Communicate regularly and effectively with the stakeholders. As a personal tip, respect the time needed to effectively review the project for quality and accuracy at the end of the project. Develop a timeline with milestones to keep you ahead of schedule whenever possible. Next, implement. Diligently execute the plan with respect to people, content, and technology. Don't forget to document the experience. This will help you reflect on the results in comparison to your intention. As a personal tip, if possible, iterate and test from the beginning of the project. Early, rapid prototyping will expose flaws in your design and allow you to build upon incremental successes until what you have built is well crafted. Next, evaluate. Implement the system of evaluation. Collect data methodically and record data accurately. Consider the qualitative data as well. Then organize the data and tell its story to all relevant stakeholders. Personal tip: respect the data and leverage it to inform subsequent projects. The data are the objective results of your work. Respect the reality of what occurred as a result of your work and allow it to inform your future projects.